To set a different notification sound for a chat in the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app and then open the chat with the contact you want to customize. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. Tap notification sound. Here you can choose your preferred notification tone for the selected chat. Tap the back key to save the change. Given to the function by setting a different notification sound for a different chat, you will immediately recognize who's messaging you. So, it's a thoughtful way to stay alert for important contacts and add a personal vibe to your messaging experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.